All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Justin Clark here. Going to do a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market analysis here pretty quickly because I got to go get the hairs cut today. But and also, I've been so busy trading, just absolutely crushing it. Stuck another $1,000 in my bank account yesterday from trading these markets on a Sunday, which is just amazing. Again, please see all the disclaimers, and I'll put a disclaimer up here. You got to learn the system, but once you know it, it is a lifetime skill that nobody can take away from you once you know how to trade with the micro profit system. It is the bomb diggity. So with that said, I want to look at the markets today, see where everything's at. We've been hovering around this 90K point, beating it up for a little bit here. So I'm going to go ahead and screen share a couple bits of housekeeping. If you do want to get these type of morning market analysis in your inbox, follow me on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube. I do these pretty much almost every day. And we're pretty good here at spotting when bigger moves may be coming. Again, you never truly know, right? And anything can happen. We could get a big giant dump out of nowhere. We could get a big giant pump out of nowhere too. But that's the nature of markets. But what we do in iCoinPro and our system is extremely consistent. It has been producing results since 2017, and we've only made it better and better and better, even in the past year or so with the release of the iCoinPro trading portal. Things are better than ever. You are luckier today coming into iCoinPro than somebody who started in 2017 because you've got all the tools now, which they did not have. So if you can let me know if you're watching this live or you're watching it on a replay, that would be great. I also like to see where people are tuning in from. And of course, if you have any questions, pop them in here as a comment. I'll do my best to try to answer them. So let's dive right into the crypto market, see what is going on here. I'm going to share my screen. We are looking at the beautiful iCoinPro trading portal. So this trading portal is unlike anything else in the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It is the all-seeing eye of crypto. We like to refer to it as. It tracks when coins are dipping, when coins are dumping, and when coins are blowing up. So we know everything that's happening in this this arena here. And what's so cool is, like, I don't know about you, but the last thing I want to do is sit in front of my computer all day staring at charts. So I don't have to. As soon as something starts happening, my phone starts pinging. I get notifications, and then I can go in and trade them. So that is the beauty of the system that we've created here in iCoinPro. Now, what we're looking at here is called the MA momentum chart. And for those who are members of iCoinPro, you can look it up. MA stands for moving average. You can go to part 3, micro profit system, part 3, the advanced training. And right here, MA momentum, you can do this module. It's kind of a standalone module. For those who are new and you want to learn, there is a free bootcamp you can do. So get back with the person who shared this video or shoot an email to support@icoinpro.com. If you love what you see in the free bootcamp and you want to keep going, we have a 1-week course. You can learn how to trade with this system in 1 single week. Jay Scott, what's up, man? How are you? And Viola, welcome, everybody. 1 week, and you've got a new skill to generate income on demand with the software, the community, everything backing you up. And it's so inexpensive. It's $100 to start, $50 a month for the system if you have everything, all the bells and whistles, the software, everything. Okay, so going back here, let's just take a quick look at Bitcoin. So for those who are new, these things here that are green and red, these are called candles. They show where the price action is, all right? These other lines are moving averages, all right? So the purple, gold, green, maroon, etc. lines, they are moving averages. How they are calculated, I'm not even going to try and get into. But all you need to know is, with this chart setup, what's so cool is when we're trading above all of these moving averages, above all these, we are potentially bullish, right? In particular, if we start trading above this light purple line and continue to bounce off of it and keep going up, And, we could get a pullback to it real quick. But if we bounce pretty good off of it, that's really good. That's a potential momentum bullish indicator. The further that these lines pull away from the current price action, the more potential momentum we have. So you can see that here, okay? But on the flip side, when we're trading underneath of all of these lines, that can be potentially bearish, okay? And the market is wanting to move lower and lower. And it can take a lot of buying, selling, duking it out, everything like that before things can finally turn around. Excuse me. So where are we at right now? We are battling with 90,000. So here are the key levels to watch. I'm going to just make this really simple today. 94, 95 is the upside. 90K is the level we're desperately needing to stay above. If we lose that, we could be coming back to 84, 85. So those are the key levels to watch. Below that would probably be, 80K. Then we got 75. Looks like we're trading in $5,000 increments. Again, we're in a new trading range right now. So we started at 70, when we broke through about 74,000, we went up, and now we're exploring where we are, kind of this new trading range, trying to figure out if we can find a top or not. A lot of people want to know, are we going to 100K? Are we going to 200K? The reality is nobody knows. And we just take this one trade at a time. And what's so great about our system, we don't have to try to be smarter than the market, okay? All we have to do is follow our system. And when we follow our system, we win. And we keep winning and keep winning and keep winning. All right. And our balance keeps going up and up and up. I'll tell you, I died a million deaths to develop this system. And what we teach in it is the only thing that kept my balance increasing consistently. Every time I tried to do other stuff, it was, sometimes it would work, and then I would give everything back. And if you've ever tried trading before, you know what I'm talking about. You have some success, and then you give everything back to the market. Not with the micro profit system. If you follow the system, continue to do the trades, and now with all our software to find these, trades for us and push them right to our phone, just makes things so much better. I mean, the results that we can get are just absolutely mind-boggling. So, all right. So again, we need to keep, trading above, 90K. If we lose 90K again, it could be too many times that we've sunk below it. We might need to explore lower. So we've got, 84, 85K are the resistance level below. If we lose that, then we'll have to see where we want to go from there. If we put pressure on 90K again, we could see these altcoins kind of implode a bit more. They were doing a little bit of that this morning. So, the longer it takes till we get a decision here of if we can break through 94K, the more and more fear is going to creep into the market, and the more people are going to be like, maybe I should have sold. Maybe we're not going to 100K. You know what I'm saying? Maybe this was the top. It's so hard when you don't know exactly how, when you're trading that way, and you just really don't know. I like what I do because I don't go to sleep with like open orders. Like, I can knock down $1,000 yesterday and it's in my bank account today. Whereas I've seen people who have had accounts that are hundreds of thousands of dollars in a bull run. They just don't sell. They get paralyzed and they don't sell. And I've seen those same accounts go down to tens of thousands of dollars. And that's so painful. I don't know how you look yourself in the mirror after that. But anyway, if you've ever done that, you can drop a comment. It's tough, right? So that's why I just trade the way that I trade, take my profits, compound my balance, and I keep winning and winning and winning. All right, so that's where we're at there, 94, 95K. Got to hold on to 90K. Pressure on 90K, definitely going to see some of the alts implode, or not definitely, but probably. You can never say definite when you're dealing with trading. And if we lose 90K, 84, 85K is the level to stay above there. All right. Other thing we're going to take a look at real quick is what are called longs and shorts. These are pretty even. Long is somebody who's betting Bitcoin's going up with leverage mostly. Shorts are people betting Bitcoin's going down with leverage mostly. If you've ever heard of people blowing out their accounts, it's because of leverage, right? And these crazy products that they have for people to risk their money. So they're pretty even. So it's pretty much kind of business as usual for us. But these can change in a hurry. Okay. And a news event can change things. So we'll just have to see. But for right now, it's kind of business as usual, but we got to be hyper aware. We're up high and we're getting a little stale here, kind of grinding sideways. So at any moment we could see a quick retrace back to this light purple line, moving average 84, 85K. Could happen. If we bounce quickly back up, that's good. You can see that here. This was a quick, down and bounce back up. That was really good. Or it could be kind of go down and creep along sideways. That's always really makes people nervous when that happens. So we'll have to see on that. Last thing I want to just cover here is what are the hot coins to trade, and there are so many right now. So we want to look for good potential profit. That's what this number is showing here on the dip trades, and good volume. So we're looking at XLM for sure, Pepe for sure, and this one has been a lot of fun to trade, but the volume's kind of dying off. CLV has been fun to trade, but the volume's dying off, so the movement might not be quite as good. What did this movement do here? 8%. What are we doing every 5 minutes? Yeah, about 17,000. So that's kind of, dying off a little bit. When you're trading this coin, Pepe is moving 4%. Not too exciting for a meme coin. Let's see. This is 7%. XLM. Yeah, man. All right. That looks really good. So I like XLM. Pepe's cool. CLV, because I feel like I kind of know where it's at. Let's see what Bonk is doing, because that's another really high volume coin. Yes, definitely Bonk. So, okay. So the reason, and what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring how much return we're getting on these. So that shows that we've got a noisy coin, which means it's moving around really well. So I'm definitely looking at Bonk. I'm definitely looking at XLM. And then probably Pepe or CLV. If CLV does a really good big giant dump, man, I'm going to be all over that. And that could be coming because it's been slowly creeping its way down. It's getting quiet. So it's either going to dump or pump, at this point, potentially. Big giant dump, man, I'm going to be all over that. That's going to be a fun trade. All right, guys, that's what I've got here. Definitely XLM and Bonk are the hot ones. Again, keep in mind we're up high, so slow to ladder buy, not too heavy duty, on your position sizes, just in case this market does decide this is retrace time. And if Bitcoin does do a quick move down, the alts are going to probably crater. All right, everybody, have a great day. And let's see what happens in these crazy crypto markets today. Again, if you want these type of morning market analysis into your inbox, go ahead and give me a follow on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube. And if you want to do our 1-week course or our free crypto bootcamp first, which takes you about 40 minutes, get back with the person who shared this video or shoot an email to support@iCoinPro.com. And once you do that, if you want to do our 1-week course, it is fantastic. You'll learn how to trade with this system. All right, everybody. We'll also see you Wednesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern, on our business opportunity overview. Make sure to be there because we're going to have some great, powerful testimonials there. Bye, everybody.